Hi everyone, I'm Robin Sinha from Hindustan Times Tech. Now Xiaomi is being really aggressive with its Redmi Note smartphone launches. Few months after the launch of Redmi Note 8 Pro, the company has now launched Redmi Note 9 Pro in India. This smartphone comes at Rs 12,999 and 15,999 for 4 plus 64 and 6 plus 128GB model. The one that we have right now is the 6 plus 128GB model that comes in Aurora Blue. You can also get it in Interstellar Black and White color variants. So let's get started with the unboxing and let's check out the smartphone itself. So guys, this is the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's see what you get inside the box. Like we said before, the smartphone variant that we have right now with us is the Aurora Blue version. We'll take a look at this in a while. Other than the smartphone, you get a travel adapter. This is the 18-watt travel adapter. And along with that, you get a USB Type-C cable. You also get some documentations and a SIM ejector tool. And here is the transparent cover case. So that's pretty much it that you get inside the box of the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So guys, that was our quick look at the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, the 6 plus 128GB model that comes at Rs 15,999. Like we have said before, this also comes in 4 plus 64GB variant that is priced at 12,999. We have talked about this smartphone at hindustantimes.com/tech. So make sure you visit that website for more details. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or YouTube. I'm Robin Sinha and I'll see you in the next video.